Planned events? The truth about drone UFOs in New Jersey and elsewhere. Courtesy of Chase Hughes. Recent UFO and drone sightings over New Jersey and elsewhere have sparked a wave of speculation. But what if this isn't about drones or aliens at all? And what if it is about aliens? As a PSYOPs expert, Chase Hughes breaks down how to spot the signs of a psychological operation, PSYOP, and uncover whether these events are part of a larger planned agenda. Are these sightings a cover-up, a distraction, or something even more sinister? Don't let yourself be fooled. The truth might be closer than you think. Watch as he exposes the truth behind these mysterious lights in the sky and dive into the tactics used to manipulate public perception. You can watch the entire presentation in the link provided in the comments section. This is Norio Hayakawa in Albuquerque, New Mexico.